houses and I'm pissing in your bed. No, not yet. No, I got to announce you. Go back there. Go back there. No, never happened. Never here. Never here. They're all right. They're drunk. They won't remember. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, the debut performance, drum roll, please. All the way from Hollywood, California, please give a big round of applause for Khaös's Crazy Comedy! There you go.
Okay, so what? Thank you. This is going to be the first time, and you better pay me good for this.
All right, I'm paying you. I'll pay you in Robux.
Yeah, let's go. We both get one now. So then,
How about V-Bucks instead?
well, here's the first show. So I was at school a couple of months ago, and I was in dance class. I was walking back because I had to go to the bathroom. I slipped over a shoe. My teacher comes running out of the room and screams at me, and she was being louder than me.
He's pretty loud.
That was the joke? What? Oh, sorry. I interrupted you. Yeah, sorry. Go. No, the audience is there. So, you tripped over the shoe. Okay, go on.
I tripped over the shoe, and then the teacher comes out and says that I was too loud, but she was going louder than I was. So she told me to stop being loud, and she was being louder than me, and I was being loud, and I wasn't even being loud. She did what she was trying to stop.
All right, joke number 2.
And this reminds me. Yeah. Okay, now, so basically, I have a lot more stories. Yeah, I'm better than you, yeah. What's happening?
I've been upstaged by a 9-year-old.
He's on it, though.
Dogs. Yeah. Rainbow. I have to. Now this is getting old. Fine. Don't play a song or something. Play a song.